Petit fours are elegant French desserts that are also ideal for brunches and bridal showers. These beloved treats have sweet and savory varieties. Moreover, petit fours in French means a small or little oven. The easiest way to make them. Although these treats are popular for being intricate, making the icing drape beautifully and smoothly over the cakes is usually the most difficult part. But not to worry, because there is an easy way to make petit fours. First, make the cake batter for the petit fours. Then, bake in the correct size of the baking sheet pan. Please take into consideration that it will shrink a bit as it cools, so cut in rectangles. Afterward, slice the rectangles into 2 layers. After that, spread fillings onto every rectangle with the prepared fillings, then layer them together. Chill, later on, cut each into squares. Finally, put the toppings like white chocolate. In making the icing, you can use a double boiler or microwave. Though, utilizing the double boiler will more likely guarantee great results. Doing this will enable you to adjust the consistency as required, and it maintains the icing's fluidity. On the other hand, utilizing the microwave will oftentimes make you reheat the icing to maintain the correct consistency. What are the different types of petit fours? Petits fours glaces. It is commonly decorated with sophisticated piping. Likewise, these are small cakes topped with marzipan. Afterward, enrobed in either chocolate or fondant. Petits fours sec. They are dry cookies, usually baked for a long period at low temperatures. Palmiers, macarons, duchesses, and sables au beurre are famous examples of this kind. Petits fours deguises. These are desserts with dried and fresh fruit dipped in a sweet coating like cooked sugar or chocolate. Petits fours frais. They are tiny pastries that should be consumed the same day they are created, since the longer these sit, the more they lose essential quality. Excellent examples of this kind are cream-filled pastries such as tartelettes and éclairs, including sponge cakes like financiers and madeleines. Different flavors of petit fours. Lemon coconut. It is a product of lemon icing and moist coconut flour topped with white chocolate. Strawberry champagne. It is poured with fondant icing flavored with champagne and made of strawberry frosting. Also, you no longer need to add sugar because it is already sweet, so avoid using sweet champagne. Although it can be time-consuming to make this, it is best to plan before. Chocolate raspberry. It is topped with filled raspberries, covered with rich chocolate. Likewise, it is drizzled even more with chocolate to achieve an elegant and delectable dessert. Tips for petit fours. The mixture should form a 2-inch soft bread at 223 degrees Fahrenheit to 234 degrees Fahrenheit. So use your fingers to test hardness. If a candy thermometer is unavailable, you can use the cold water test instead. Make sure to use a clean spoon when dropping a small quantity of the mixture into a small bowl of cold water, but not ice cold. Then, pick up the mixture carefully from the cold water. Afterward, check the mixture's firmness, since the higher the temperature reached, the more difficult the mixture will be after it cools. Moreover, press the petit fours firmly, but gently with your hands over the surface before slicing it. Doing this will squeeze out any extra filling to avoid any layers sliding. Likewise, do not overbake because it will make the layers dry. How long can petit fours last? At room temperature, it will last for approximately 2 days. If kept in the fridge, it will last for about a week. Moreover, it will last in the freezer for around 2 to 3 months. Do not forget to put the petit fours in an airtight container. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe.